And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can add a circle highlight effect that follows movement, for example here of, let's pick the woman in the white shirt. If you've got a circle, you can import it as an image, but just make sure that it's a PNG so that the background is transparent. If you don't, use a default text element. And here you want to pick the letter O. And you have to pick a good font. In this case, System gives us a perfect circle for this letter. I want to make that red. You can pick a different font, obviously. You can see here is an italic. So stuff like this skews a little bit with your circle. Just pick one that you like. You can make it thicker, but you can't make it thinner than your font. So there's also something to consider when you pick your font. Let us just use this. You want to make it big enough for whatever you want to highlight. As I've said in my case, the woman with the white shirt. So use font size, scale it a little bit up. The tracking is now a pro feature. So if you're subscribed, you can use that. But I'm going to show you how to do it in the free version. We create a compound clip here, so right click on the default text, compound clip. Tracking is still pro, so also for this compound clip. Make sure it's selected. We'll go to the start, and now we use position and create a keyframe. Then just move forward and reposition your circle. And you can see this creates new keyframes. Follow the movement until you've arrived at the end. And if we roll this now, you can see it's animated and it follows what we wanted to highlight. The same principle can be used with anything. So if you want to use an arrow image or something like this, it works the same way. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.